Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So your friend Kumar is back with a review of another college in Karnataka. So it's called Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore, right? So MITM Mysore, and it's based out of Mandya, which is very close to Mysore. So this college has a decent placement and environment for academic excellence. So that's the reason I'm reviewing this college, and this is good for people from my between Bangalore and Mysore. And so Maharaja group of institutions, right? MET group of institutions. Actually, many colleges are there. So Maharaja Institute in Mysore, in Thadwapura, they have agriculture college, they have PU college, they have first grade college, and so on, right? So they, and this one is MITM. MITM is a Maharaja Institute of Technology Mysore, and it's located in a very good green sprawling land campus 3 kilometer behind KR Mills, is a very known landmark, and it's approved by ICT and a part of VTU. So this is some of the pictures of the college before I talk about the infrastructure. So it's a very beautiful, you can see, and every building is well designed, and there are a lot of green spaces inside and outside the campus, right? So, and it's a big campus, so on the outskirts, so you can clearly see. And this is about the computer infrastructure, which is required part of the curriculum. So this is also quite decent. And apart from this, okay, this is a bigger snapshot. You saw some pictures there, and you see here the waiting area, the transportation, the cultural festival part of it, right? So those are also part of the infrastructure, a great infrastructure is part. You can see the library, you can see the incubation center, and the computers and services center, and the sports area small. And you can also see the cultural festivals, how they are done, right? So that's why it has a complete facilities with all aspects. And now coming to the admission process, so it's being part of Karnataka KCT and the Comet K Bose entrance. So, and it has the reservations for all categories SC/ST 1A 1B as per the government norms part of KCT admission process. And there are also management seats, so I'll come to the seat matrix very soon. Before that, the courses for B, there are very lesser number of courses. So you have computer information sub EC, these three definitely you can take, and then mechanical and civil are the placements are less. But I will show the placements very much details comparing with the last 5 years data, and that will show. So at least the first three batches are very good, and then MBA, FCA are also part of this course, part of PG set entrance exam. So, and there is MTech in 3 fields, right? You can see, and those are also part of PG set. So if you have a Karnataka resident with PG set exam, you can get into this MBA MTech programs. Now coming to the seat matrix, so computer science, EC and information 360 seats, total 120 each, and civil, and so total put together, if you see 120 into 5, which is 600 seats. So, and and then there is a quota wise based on CET, Comet Core management quota. You can see from the picture how many seats are distributed. Now coming to the placement part of it, so 600 plus students, a little bit sometime which are part of the course, and out of 600 440 students are getting placements, and this is last 2 years comparison. So that way it is very good. And this is on the larger scale branch wise comparison for last 5 years. So you see computer science in the current year 100 is a very good number. So 100 students getting placed in each of these two branches, computers and information, you can definitely take. CSC EC is 74 students you can take, but other of the MTech and civil EC and civil is not, sorry, mechanical and civil is not that good. MBA 73 students got placed, you can definitely, so 424 students got placed, right? So 442, sorry. And these are the companies which are visiting the campus. So you can see the big names there: Infosys, L&T, Wipro, SLK Software, right? SAP, NIT, right? All of these are from Bangalore. HGS and the call center solutions, right, are the big companies. And then there are some startups in Codelier, Odessa Technologies, all those companies are part of it, like 24/7 AI Pathfront, right, and Hashed in. So these are many of these are also visiting a lot of campuses in Karnataka, and this is one of the snapshot of the 440 students who gets placed. So there are three images like this, but I have put one of them just to show that the amount. And now coming to the student facilities. So last thing which I'm covering is the hostel. So they have a hostel for both girls and boys, and this is that the rooms are very good, and overall infrastructure with gym and everything is quite decent. So you can definitely take this, at least 3 branches.